Hey friends, I'm going to share with you a very easy and healthy pizza that you can serve as an appetizer or as an entree. And I start with against the grain 3-cheese pizza shell, but you can use any prepared shell or you can even make your own crust. Then spray crust with a little EVOO. So I put Mediterranean veggies. I've got Kalamata olives, I've got peppers. You could also do red onion, but you just arrange them on top of the pizza shell. And then I've just got a little Greek seasoning, so I'm going to sprinkle a little of that. I'm going to put a little feta cheese. And then also I'm going to end with some mozzarella, and it's really healthy tasting, very fresh. And what I'm going to do is put this on my pellet grill just long enough for the cheese to melt, so y'all stay tuned. Guys, the pizza stones preheat with the pellet grill, so all you have to do is slide the pizza onto the pizza stone, and then about 400, 425 until the cheese melts, and they will be like stone-fired pizzas, and they'll be absolutely delicious. I have taken these off of the pellet grill. So this is a twist on a traditional pizza that is really yummy. I hope you'll give it a try, and you have a fabulous day.